Hey guys, going off of my last video, I am going to talk about how you can get web hosting and a domain name absolutely free to start your business without any issues. I'm going to work specifically on creating a life coaching business. I've already written the code, but I'm going to go straight into it. So the first thing you actually want to do is go to a website called GitHub. I've already done that. You want to create a new project. I'm going to call this project Life Coach Demo Site. Okay, so doesn't really matter what you call it, just call it something. We create the project. Now we create a new file. We paste it. So this is some code I'm pasting in. This is important, we're going to call this index.html. Essentially, it's going to access my code and the files. This is some pre-code I've just written up just to make this go a bit faster. Created index.html. We save that, and now we have our file, our HTML file, saved to our GitHub. So now this is a part of the code. Now our website is actually ready to be published, and I'm just gonna quickly do that. I want to go into settings and then go into pages and then go into source and go into GitHub Actions and then configure static HTML, and then everything looks good. I'm going to commit these changes, and now my website in a moment is going to be available for everyone to see online. So if I just have to wait for a bit, so it's pending, and then it will soon be available for everyone to see. Oh, it's pending. We're gonna refresh it again because it should still pending. That's fine. So what it's doing is creating the pages, and then it's publishing the pages to be used. So I have made it so you can have a free domain, free hosting for GitHub. There is a catch, there is a caveat to all of this, and hopefully you will see it soon. So it has been published. So now I want to go into deployment. I want to go to GitHub Pages, and then I want to go to this URL link, and this is the first issue. Okay, we are gonna have to have a github.io URL link for our website, right? So this doesn't look so professional for customers, but this is still a fully functioning website. So if you wanted to get everything for free, you want to be on a budget, you could quickly create a website on GitHub. It's still fully functioning. We could still call this number here. Everything works out fine. We would just have to write our own code, and then we could have a website. So this has been how to get a free website in basically 2 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to be making more content like this, and if you're a life coach and you're very interested in me creating a website for you, I have a website called Website for Life Coaches, where I take websites. I take. Sorry, what I do is I take different clients and they will give me specifications, and I will create the perfect website for them to help them get more traffic for their website business. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Hope you have a nice day. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need help with anything, putting yourself in the right direction, please feel free to give me a DM. I'm always here to help, or leave a comment in the video. Thank you very much.